In this video, we listed the 5 best motorcycle dash cam on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. VSYS S2DL Dash Cam. The S2DL motorcycle dashcam offers a range of advanced features to enhance safety and convenience while riding. With built-in Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily control your smartphone hands-free, make calls, stream music, and use voice control through Bluetooth headphones. The tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, alerts you to low, high tire pressure or high temperature, improving safety and vehicle performance. Smart Gauge mode provides essential details like tire status and location when linked to GPS and TPMS sensors. The 24 hours parking mode ensures surveillance when the bike is parked, while the high-resolution and night vision cameras provide clear footage day or night. You can also watch the road behind with the rear-view camera and enjoy different display modes on the 3.0-inch HD screen. The dashcam features built-in Wi-Fi for easy video management, full-body waterproof design, GPS tracking, uninterruptible power supply, and support for up to a 256GB micro SD card. The device is powered by a supercapacitor for durability, features loop recording for continuous video capture, and ensures video evidence protection in case of accidents. Number 2. MT80 Motorcycle Dash Cam. The motorcycle dash camera, model MT80, offers a range of features to enhance safety and recording capabilities for motorcycle riders. With a front lens recording at 720p, 30fps and a rear lens at 640x for 80p VGA, this camera provides clear footage from multiple vantage points. The 3.0-inch high-definition display screen allows for easy viewing, while the wide-angle 140-degree fisheye lens and simultaneous split-screen display offer comprehensive coverage. The camera supports automatic recording and loop recording with microSD storage options ranging from 8GB to 32GB. Additionally, features like a built-in microphone, waterproof design, and high-temperature resistant polymer battery add to the functionality and durability of the device. Included accessories such as cables, spacers, screws, and a stand make installation convenient. Please note potential measurement and color discrepancies due to manual measurement and monitor variations. Manufactured by HiMISS in mainland China, this motorcycle dash camera is designed for placement on the motorcycle's head for a 90 degrees view angle capture. Number 3. Autonevee Car Dash Cam. The car multimedia player by Autonevee is a feature-rich device suitable for in-vehicle entertainment and navigation. It comes with a 2-year warranty and boasts a touch screen, built-in screen, and compatibility with Android OS. The one-din player has a processor speed ranging from 1.2 to 2.5 GHz and offers various RAM and ROM configurations. With a built-in GPS, DSP, and support for CarPlay, it provides a wide range of features, including FM, AM tuning, digital media playback, and a 5-inch display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. The device is designed with ABS material, making it lightweight at 1 kg, and is equipped with a 45W power output at 12V. The product supports various languages and comes with a diverse set of certifications, all while being a product of Autonevee, an established brand from mainland China, designed to be compatible with universal vehicle brands. Number 4. EVKEY Wireless Cam. The product offered is a car multimedia system by EVKEY with various features and specifications. It supports wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, mobile screen mirroring, and a microSD card with a maximum capacity of 64GB. The system is dustproof with an IP67 rating and includes anti-theft features through a detachable design. It has a 5.0-inch capacitive touch screen with a resolution of 800 by 480. The device supports Wi-Fi and dual Bluetooth, enabling the simultaneous use of Bluetooth earphones for calls and CarPlay. The main interface supports multiple languages. The system requires a 12V power supply and operates in temperatures ranging from -20 to 70 degrees Celsius. For Bluetooth connectivity troubleshooting, specific steps are provided for CarPlay and Android Auto. The product originates from mainland China and includes a UI upgrade file link. Number 5. Forefeel Dash Cam. The car DVR from Forefeel features 2 lenses and operates at 25 frames per second. It utilizes a silicon chipset and is designed in a hidden assembly mode. This device is manufactured in mainland China and is an essential item for capturing footage while driving. The Forefeel Motorcycle CarPlay Waterproof 1080p 5-inch Wi-Fi Wireless Android Auto DVR Monitor Dashcam GPS Navigation TPMS is a versatile and advanced device designed for motorcycle riders. This system combines various features such as CarPlay connectivity, waterproof design, high-definition video recording, wireless capabilities, Android Auto compatibility, GPS navigation, and TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system. With this device, riders can stay connected, entertained, and safe on the road, making it a valuable addition to any motorcycle setup.